What if the biggest upgrade to your energy, metabolism, heart, brain, and immune system didn't come from an expensive supplement, but from the foods already sitting in your kitchen? Nutrient-dense foods deliver more vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, and protective compounds in every bite, and making the right ones part of your daily routine can quietly transform how your body feels and functions. Stay with me, because some of the most powerful foods on this list are surprisingly simple, affordable, and easy to use. We're going through 11 nutrient-dense foods that can help you build better meals, stay satisfied, and give your body the raw materials it needs every day. And near the end, you'll discover one tiny food that packs an incredible amount of nutrition into just a few spoonfuls. Protein, minerals, and lasting fullness. Eggs are one of the easiest nutrient-dense foods to build into your day. A whole egg provides high-quality protein along with vitamin B12, selenium, choline, and fat-soluble nutrients, concentrated largely in the yolk. That combination makes eggs especially useful at breakfast, when a satisfying meal can help you avoid starting the day with mostly refined carbohydrates. Choline is one reason eggs deserve attention. Your body uses this essential nutrient in cell membranes and in the production of acetylcholine, a chemical messenger involved in memory, muscle control, and other nervous system functions. Eggs also provide the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that accumulate in the eye and are associated with supporting normal visual health as you age. The simplest approach is also one of the best: boiled, poached, scrambled, or cooked into an omelet with vegetables. Pairing eggs with spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, or avocado adds fiber and plant nutrients while keeping the meal satisfying. You don't need complicated recipes. Just avoid turning a nutrient-rich food into a heavily processed breakfast loaded with sugary sauces or refined sides. Omega-3 fats, protein, and vitamin D. Salmon delivers an unusually dense package of nutrients in a single serving. It provides complete protein for muscle maintenance and repair, plus the long-chain omega-3 fats, EPA and DHA. These fats are important components of cell membranes and are widely studied for their role in supporting normal heart, brain, and inflammatory functions. Salmon is also one of the relatively few foods that naturally contains meaningful vitamin D, a nutrient involved in bone health, muscle function, and immune regulation. It supplies vitamin B12 and selenium as well, making it a powerful choice when you want more nutrition without needing a very large portion. Both wild and farmed salmon can contribute valuable nutrients to a balanced eating pattern. You don't have to eat salmon every single day to benefit from it. Think of it as a regular rotation food and use other nutritious proteins on the remaining days. Bake it with lemon and herbs, flake it over a large salad, or serve it with vegetables and a whole grain. Keeping preparation simple lets the natural flavor shine while avoiding excessive added sugar or heavy sauces. Iron, folate, and plant antioxidants. Spinach packs an impressive amount of micronutrients into very few calories. This leafy green provides vitamin K, folate, carotenoids, magnesium, and vitamin C, along with plant-based iron. Its deep green color reflects a high concentration of pigments and protective compounds, making spinach an easy way to increase the nutrient density of almost any meal. Spinach is especially valuable because it can increase the volume of a meal without adding many calories. Add a large handful to eggs, soups, pasta, lentils, or stir-fries, and it quickly wilts down. Pairing spinach with foods rich in vitamin C, such as bell peppers, tomatoes, or lemon, can also help your body absorb more of the non-heme iron naturally found in leafy greens. Fresh and frozen spinach are both useful, so choose whichever makes daily eating easier. Frozen spinach works beautifully in cooked meals, while fresh leaves are perfect for salads and sandwiches. Rotate spinach with kale, arugula, chard, and other leafy greens to diversify your intake. The goal is not one magical vegetable, but a consistent habit of getting nutrient-rich greens onto your plate. Fiber, vitamin C, and powerful plant compounds. Blueberries prove that nutrient-dense foods can taste like a treat. These small berries provide fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and colorful polyphenols called anthocyanins. Those pigments give blueberries their deep blue-purple color and have been widely studied for their antioxidant activity and potential role in supporting cardiovascular and cognitive health. Their natural sweetness also makes blueberries a useful replacement for heavily sweetened toppings and desserts. Add them to plain yogurt, oatmeal, chia pudding, or a smoothie, and you get flavor along with nutrients and fiber. Frozen blueberries are an excellent option too, especially when fresh berries are expensive, and they can make nutritious eating more convenient throughout the year. One reason berries are so easy to keep in a daily routine is portion flexibility. A small handful can upgrade breakfast, snacks, or even salads without requiring any cooking. Mix blueberries with strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries when possible, because different colors often reflect different plant compounds. Variety gives you a broader spectrum of nutrients instead of relying on one fruit alone. Healthy fats, vitamin E, and satisfying crunch. Almonds are a compact food with impressive nutritional value. They provide monounsaturated fats, plant protein, fiber, magnesium, vitamin E, and several other minerals. Because fat, protein, and fiber digest more slowly than refined carbohydrates, a modest portion of almonds can make snacks more satisfying and may help you avoid reaching for highly processed foods soon after. Vitamin E is a standout nutrient in almonds. It functions as an antioxidant that helps protect cell membranes from oxidative damage, while magnesium contributes to hundreds of reactions involved in energy production, muscle function, and normal nerve signaling. Almonds also contain very little sugar naturally, making them easy to combine with fruit for a balanced snack with both sweetness and staying power. Portion awareness matters, because nuts are calorie-dense, even though they are highly nutritious. A small handful is often enough to add texture and nutrients to your meal. Choose plain or dry-roasted almonds most of the time, rather than versions coated in sugar or heavy seasoning. You can also use almond slivers on yogurt, oats, salads, or vegetables to spread their benefits across the day. Fiber, minerals, and plant-based protein. Lentils are one of the most underrated nutrient-dense foods you can keep in your pantry. They provide folate, iron, potassium, magnesium, polyphenols, and a generous amount of fiber and protein. That combination supports satisfying meals while giving your gut bacteria fermentable fibers that can be used to produce beneficial compounds inside the colon. Unlike many refined carbohydrate foods, lentils come packaged with substantial fiber and protein, which slows digestion and makes them much more filling. They work especially well in soups, stews, curries, grain bowls, and salads. Pair lentils with vegetables and a source of vitamin C such as tomatoes, lemon, or bell peppers to improve the absorption of their naturally occurring plant-based iron. Canned lentils are a convenient option when time is limited. Just drain and rinse them to reduce excess sodium. Dry lentils are inexpensive and cook faster than many other legumes because they usually don't require soaking. Red, green, brown, and black lentils all have slightly different textures, so rotating varieties can keep meals interesting while preserving the same nutrient-rich foundation. Creamy protein, calcium, and gut-friendly cultures. Plain Greek yogurt can deliver a lot of nutrition in a very practical form. It is rich in protein and typically provides calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, and potassium. Many varieties also contain live bacterial cultures, which can contribute beneficial microbes to the diet and make yogurt a useful addition to a varied, balanced eating pattern. Its high protein content is especially helpful at breakfast or between meals because protein supports muscle maintenance and increases satiety. Greek yogurt can also replace lower protein creamy ingredients in many recipes. The important detail is to choose plain versions whenever possible, since flavored yogurts can contain significant added sugar that changes an otherwise nutrient-dense food into something closer to dessert. Build a stronger bowl by adding berries, chia seeds, cinnamon, or a small amount of chopped nuts. That combination brings protein, fiber, healthy fats, and plant compounds together in one meal or snack. If dairy doesn't suit you, a fortified, unsweetened alternative can still be useful, but check the label for protein, calcium, vitamin D, and added sugar because nutritional quality varies widely. Potassium, fiber, and carotenoids. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-rich carbohydrate that can do far more than simply fill your plate. Orange varieties are especially rich in beta-carotene, which your body can convert into vitamin A. They also provide vitamin C, potassium, manganese, and fiber, giving you a combination that supports normal vision, immune function, digestion, and overall dietary quality. Sweet potatoes can also be more satisfying when you eat the skin, where additional fiber and plant compounds are found. Pair them with protein and healthy fat to create a more balanced meal. For example, a baked sweet potato with lentils, Greek yogurt, or eggs and a side of vegetables. This combination delivers far more nutritional variety than relying on a refined carbohydrate side by itself. Roast them in wedges, bake them whole, or cube them into soups and grain bowls. You don't need to cover sweet potatoes with sugar, syrup, or marshmallows to make them taste good. Cinnamon, paprika, garlic, herbs, or a little olive oil can bring out their natural flavor. Purple sweet potatoes are worth rotating in too because their color comes from a different group of antioxidant pigments. Healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. Avocado brings nutrients that many common meals are missing. It is rich in monounsaturated fat and also provides fiber, folate, potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and several carotenoids. Its combination of fat and fiber makes meals feel more substantial, while the fat can also improve the absorption of certain fat-soluble compounds from vegetables eaten alongside it. That makes avocado especially useful in salads and vegetable-heavy meals. Carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lutein, are absorbed better when some dietary fat is present, so adding avocado can do more than improve texture. It also makes a satisfying replacement for creamy processed spreads when mashed with lemon, herbs, or spices, and used on whole grain toast or alongside eggs. Because avocado is calorie-dense, you don't need a huge amount to get its nutritional value. A quarter to half an avocado can add richness and nutrients to a meal, depending on your overall energy needs. If cut avocado browns quickly, a squeeze of lemon or lime and an airtight container can slow oxidation. The key is using it as part of a balanced plate rather than treating it as unlimited. Vitamin C, fiber, and protective plant compounds. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can eat regularly. It provides vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, carotenoids, and fiber, along with glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds found in cruciferous vegetables. When broccoli is chopped or chewed, these compounds can be converted into biologically active substances such as sulforaphane. Broccoli's mix of fiber and plant compounds makes it a strong choice for supporting digestive health and a varied gut microbiome. Its vitamin C also contributes to normal collagen formation and helps improve the absorption of non-heme iron from plant foods eaten in the same meal. Light steaming can soften broccoli while retaining much of its texture, but roasting and stir-frying are excellent options too. For the best long-term habit, focus on enjoyment rather than forcing yourself to eat plain steamed broccoli every day. Roast florets until crisp with garlic and spices. Add them to omelets, blend them into soups, or toss them into a colorful stir-fry. Rotate broccoli with cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and other cruciferous vegetables to broaden the range of protective plant compounds in your diet. Omega-3 fats, fiber, and minerals in a tiny package. Chia seeds prove that just a few spoonfuls can dramatically increase the nutrient density of a meal. They provide alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fat, along with fiber, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and a modest amount of protein. When mixed with liquid, their soluble fiber absorbs water and creates a thick, gel-like texture. That fiber can help make meals more filling and supports normal bowel function by adding bulk and holding water in the digestive tract. Chia seeds are also incredibly easy to use because they have a mild flavor. Stir them into yogurt or oatmeal. Blend them into smoothies or soak them in milk or an unsweetened alternative to create chia pudding without relying on heavily processed ingredients. Start with a small amount if your diet is currently low in fiber, and drink enough fluid as you increase your intake. Around 1 to 2 tablespoons can add meaningful fiber and nutrients without changing the flavor of your meal very much. Grinding isn't required for chia seeds the way it often is for flaxseed, which makes them one of the simplest nutrient boosters to keep ready in your kitchen. And there you have it, 11 nutrient-dense foods that can make everyday meals more powerful without making healthy eating complicated. You don't need every single one on your plate every day. Instead, use this list as a framework. Include quality protein, colorful plants, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and smart nutrient boosters. Then rotate your choices so your body receives a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and protective compounds. If you found this video useful, give it a like so more people can discover it, and tell me in the comments which of these 11 foods you already eat regularly, and which one you're adding next. For more practical videos that make healthy eating simple, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications. Your next better meal doesn't need to be perfect. It simply needs to move you one step in a healthier direction.